the health advice and the health issues in the last 24 hours. We have had 20 new cases overnight. The one positive to take out of those 20 cases is every single one of those is from a known source. Whilst I remain incredibly concerned, that is one positive takeout, that all the cases now are from known sources, which means that people are taking advice, and we need them to continue to do that. Please make sure, if you've been told to isolate at home, that you spend 14 days at home. Even if your test comes back negative, if you've been told to stay home 14 days, you have to stay home 14 days. You may very well develop the disease and become contagious on day 3 or 4 or 5 as opposed to day 1 or 2, and it's so important to have everybody stay home when they're meant to be at home. And I want to thank record numbers of people who are coming forward to getting tested. We had over 20,000 people on a Sunday and a Saturday come forward to get tested. That is just amazing, and we're deeply grateful for that. But we also know that our state continues to be on extremely high alert, but also our state continues to be at a critical point. We have the opportunity to isolate the cases that we have, to clamp down and to make sure that we reduce the incidence of the virus spreading. We have that chance still in New South Wales. Unfortunately, other places don't have that opportunity. We have the opportunity, whilst we have to modify our behaviour and whilst we should think about our activity, we have the ability here in New South Wales to keep moving forward whilst we're controlling the spread, but it's up to all of us. And can I say very, very strongly, please heed the health advice. The next few weeks are critical. Please avoid large crowds. Please think twice about going into any place which has crowds in it, even when you're socially distancing. And as the advice has been provided in New South Wales, if you cannot guarantee social distancing where you're going, if you cannot guarantee that people will around you respect that social distancing, you must consider wearing a mask. But so long as you can maintain social distancing, you can go about your day, but please minimise what we call non-essential travel. Don't go to locations where you know there's going to be crowds. Don't do those things that you might do when it's not a pandemic. We are in a pandemic, and the next few weeks are critical. If we get through the next few weeks and the next month, we will have confidence that we can keep moving forward in New South Wales. But as you know, we're dealing with a number of factors here. We're dealing with potential seeding from Victoria. We're dealing with the fact that people were more mobile during the school holidays, and we're dealing with the fact that restrictions were considerably eased. So those three things make this a very critical period in our state, especially as we try and control or at least identify all of the seeding that may have occurred from Victoria. And that's why it's a really critical time.